Okay, guys, I did not get to do an intro, but we are going into Dollar Tree to do our haul. So let's go. Oh, you got in here. Okay, guys, the first thing we're going to grab is some Energizer batteries, and I only see one. And I think this is a random they threw up here. So let's grab that one. And also, I'm in the store where she is the coupon police. So I'll see what I can get. Let's see what's that. Those are all alkalines. Okay. Oh, look, guys. They also got Kodak in here. Wow. Okay. So we're going to go and look at a couple of more places where they keep batteries at, okay? Yes, I see they switched the store around some. I've been gone 1 week. I missed 1 week and the whole store switched around. We got all these disinfectant right here now. Right there. Okay, let's see what kind of bread they got, because you guys know I come for the bread. Okay. See? So they got brown berries. They got some sourdough bread. My kids didn't like it, so I better not get that no more. They got the organic. So I see a Sara Lee. I'm going to grab a Sara Lee. Oh, hold on, guys. I'm going to grab my bread. There it is right there. Okay, so I can grab 2 Italian breads and put back the Sara Lee, because I'd rather have Italian bread than the Sara Lee bread, okay? So I'm going to grab 2 of those. Okay. And see, more Sara Lee up under there. And what's these? Bagels. Okay. Now, we also have some cereal coupons, so let's grab some cereal. Oh, look. Oh, they got some more of these, huh? Captain Crunch to go. Okay, so we're going to grab some cereal up here. And I'm going to grab 2 Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Okay. And I'm going to grab 2 Cheerio. Remember, I can only use 4 coupons in here, so I'm going to be diligent about what I grab today, because now I didn't knock this down, but I'm going to pick it up. Okay. There we go. Okay. Oh, I need my taco shells today. A little one want tacos. Okay. Toasted. I got noodles. Alright, guys. You guys know we got those butter coupons, but look, all they got is Imperial, so I won't be getting those. Oh, I know. I can't let they give out some more of that. They didn't give us any of the Jimmy Deans. I didn't get any of those coupons. So, I don't think my area get it anymore. That's something else they removed from my area. So, okay. Okay, fast breaks, any times. Okay, let me see. So cereal in the shower. Okay. We don't have any more of those coupons right there. Let's go right here and look at the batteries. Let's see if we can find some more batteries. So I didn't come last week, so they cleaned them out. Okay, I need 2 more things of, I want the comment, antibacterial, remember that. I like it because it's a spray bottle. And there's the spick and span that everybody buy and sell. They resell it. Okay. And those 50 cent off coupons, I got 1 of those coupons. I'm going to try it. If it works, then y'all know to get it, okay? Okay, guys, I'm up to 4 coupons already. And this aggravated me, because it's, but I forgot my, let me show you guys something. As soon as the crowd leave away from there, I'm going to show you what it is I want to get that you guys can get. I'm going to go to another Dollar Tree, but I don't know if I get to it today, and I don't know if I get to film it, okay? Right here. See these? These is Thai Simplies, 10 ounces. It's a 50 cent off coupon. That should make these 50 cents for each one of these. Now that's a cup. Was that a cup of detergent? 6 loads. They say it's 6 loads. So I would try. I didn't bring my coupons in here because I was trying to rush and I'm pissed about it. But I'm going to go to another one. Hopefully I get to film it and show it to you guys. Okay, so they done put this Dow hand soap over here. That's a big bottle. That's a nice size bottle. 8.5 fluid ounces for $1. That really is a good size bottle. I would grab those. Okay. Oh, let me show you another thing. I do not have the coupon for it, and I don't know if it's still out. This right here, if that coupon still work, those coupons work on it. Okay, dollar cresses. If the coupon is still active, you know, if it didn't expire as of yet. Okay, we got one Colgate coupon. It's for $1, and we're gonna grab that. I'm gonna show you guys the coupons I'm using. I just was digging them out and happened to have that one in my hand at the time. Okay, and you can grab 2 of these because these work. Now, I see a lady up there. I'm going to see if I can use them. If not, you guys know I had to put them back, and hopefully I'm going to go to another store. But this is the other coupon. It's $1 off of each one, so these are free. Just like the toothpastes, make sure they say Colgate Travel Voyager. Okay, Voyage. Those are the ones that work 90% of the time. So, I was looking for that's fixing it. Oh, there it is, Poly Grip. That's an old pack of Poly Grip. Somebody took that out of their purse. Okay. Okay, where's the melatonin? I don't see them anymore. I was looking for the melatonins. I don't see them anymore in here. Okay, I was in one store and they had Gillette, guys. Because you know that Gillette say 1.7 ounce. So if you're in a store and it says Gillette, you could try that coupon because that coupon should attach to it. But I don't see it. So, okay, let's get ready to hit it. I was just trying to see what else they had new. Look at that. Diabetic foot cream. Okay. I see it. I didn't go to the front of the store because the door broke. So they letting us in on the other end. Let me go check that out. Okay, we had those Nestle Waters. I want to see how many fluid ounces they were. How many? I can't see it on there. 16. So they got to be 20 fluid ounces. Those are in the newspaper also, and you could use those for deals. How many people can't wait for Fiji to come back with the coupons? Yeah, so I could stack up for the whole entire summer. Okay. Because some of this water, if you can find it, it's a Ibotta deal for it. But I don't see it in here at all. Like, not at all. Nope. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. I think it was Pure Life, but was it flavored? Guys, check your coupon. You might be able to grab this water for 50 cents. Because I think it's $1 off of 2 20-ounce waters. And these are 33 ounces, so you might be able to grab this. Okay, I hope my other Dollar Tree got it, but it's the coupon. It's not Ibotta. It's the coupon for it. We are back from Dollar Tree, and of course, you know the coupon police was back at her game again, so I had to split up the transactions with someone. Thank God the people, you know, they just know she's just a real fool. But let me go through the coupons. These are the coupons for the batteries. Right here. They were up at the, when you check out, they were sitting there. They moved them and had set them right there. So that's where I grabbed that other one at. Okay, hold on. These are the coupons for the Cheerio. You guys know those work, right? Okay. Coupon for the toothpaste right here. Toothbrushes. And remember, I picked up the Palmolive. I don't know where that bag is at, but this is the Palmolive coupon. Now, if they argue with you about it, you see it say Palmolive, then register trademark behind, that's what means you could use it on any Palmolive, okay? Coupons that I wanted to use and didn't have with me, this one. That one, the Benadryl. The men's, of course, you know that always work, is Suave Men's Hair Care. That one I didn't have. I don't buy Russell Stovers, but this one also works. You also could use the Ocean Spray, that one. And you guys know I used this 2 weeks ago. And if you take Afrin, that's one of them that you could use. Now, I only have my receipt, of course, for the first set. So, there it is right there. And what did I get? I think I paid for these two. And then she had to put in this one, guys. Okay, so she told me this is the coupon that worked for that one. Not that dollar one. The dollar one beat, but she said this one worked. So, I'm just showing you this because I used the dollar one, okay? She put it in. Then the lady used these two for me. So, that's how I had to do my transaction. She had to put the transaction in. Dollar Tree really getting hard to coupon at. So, I don't know. We're going to keep going until, you know, I leave out one day and it was a no-go. Okay, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you all hit like, subscribe, and share this channel. I'm back at Dollar Tree. Bye.